Design is a creative field, and you need to be inspired. We need to train designers to be better at sustainability. To that extent, we brought in Kéré to this project. His understanding of sustainability and natural materials and locally sourced materials and his commitment to building community are definitely a reference for students to look up to and to be inspired by. In product design, we are very tied up to technology, and digital fabrication is a game changer, and it will be in the future. Everybody's using 3D printing, laser cutting. The advantages that it provides, it's something that we incorporate very well here at San Francisco State. The grant money provided by Course Hero allowed me to acquire a number of things that were fundamental for the making of this project. The objective was to activate and repurpose the terrace space of the Fine Arts building just above the design school.
Overall, it's a giant, underutilized, barren sort of space. And so our design project was to come up with a solution for that.
We based our research off of the designer Kéré.
With our design, we're hoping to foster community and provide students with a place where they can temporarily rest.
Each group needs to produce some component of their project that needs to be 3D printed.
Once you get to the prototyping, physically modeling things through 3D printing and often laser cutting to get exact proportions and things allows you to create realistic models that start to bring the proportions to life.
One of our students, Will, took it a step up and he went to the library, he checked out a 3D scanner, and he actually scanned the whole space. And from his model that was created digitally, my TA took that as a reference, creating a file that students could use. My hope for the designs of the future is that they're capable to get involved in things that have a broader and more significant meaning than, making more cool, shiny stuff, right? I mean, we're here to improve people's lives. Their designs could really change the environment, the community that they're a part of. I mean, I told them the level of creative thinking is just incredible. I think they achieved great results this semester. I'm really happy with the work.